Guys, I'm feeling good. I finally knocked off that jet lag. Today, high energy, and we're gonna do Mount Hallasan fried rice. There's gonna be an egg explosion and rivers of melted cheese. Whole mountain made from kimchi fried rice. I mean, it's inexplicable. If you have kids and you see a smile on their face, I think this is the dish for you. All right, so let's start. First, we need 2 cups of cooked white rice. Now, this is very hot because it's very fresh, but when you make fried rice, you want to actually cool it out a little bit. And the 2nd cup. All right. Fan it out just a little bit so it cools down. And next, of course, is our kimchi. Has been in my fridge for the last 3.5 months. And let's see how it looks. 1 whiff. And you can smell the sourness. Plastic cover over my virgin cutting board. You know, I don't want to taint it. Put it here. This is the real beauty of kimchi. All those months, and it's still good. It's filled with good bacteria. And this aged kimchi, it's perfect for kimchi fried rice or kimchi pancakes. And you can use the fresh kimchi too, no problem. This one just has more depth and just more wisdom. Please, juice. Oh. Come on, no blood. No. Once it's chopped up just a little bit. And then the smarter way is really just to get a pair of kitchen scissors and just cut it down like this. All right, and we're gonna just use 1 cup of this. And with kimchi, nothing pairs better than pork. You can use any sausages, maybe some chorizo, maybe some bratwurst, whatever you like. But I will go for the king of all pork products. Sapam. And look how cute they make it. Don't hate because you ain't as cute as this, okay? And then I'm going to just chop this up into small meats. And then for me, I'm going to throw in a couple of sausages as well. And if you can't have pork, of course, work with the cow or some chicken or maybe even some tuna. And we're going to do a 1-to-1 ratio with the kimchi. So 1 full cup of this as well. 1 cup in. And if you're trying to build a summer body, perhaps 1/2 cup and chicken breast. All right, guys, we got 1/2 an onion. And we'll finely cube these. And onion adds sweetness, so it's going to help balance out the spice from the kimchi. 4-arm piece of spring onion. I'm going to use some of these salted seaweed crisps. We call them kim in Korea, maybe 3 or 4. And just crumple this up and we're going to use this as a topping. Of course, if this is hard to find, just skip it. We got everything in play. All we need, very few people know, but Mount Hallasan, the last time it erupted was 5,000 years ago. And reports actually indicate that it wasn't lava that came out. It was actually eggs. 4 eggs to be exact. Then we're gonna add in some mozzarella cheese. 2 tablespoons. Here's 1, and here's 2. Just give this a nice whisk and stir it like you mean it. We're trying to make some egg lava here. From America, I brought a cast iron pan. To be real, you can use any frying pan. We're gonna put this on a medium-high heat, and it's this frying pan's first time on the show. It's new to the family. We gotta give it a nice blessing. I got some sacred salt here. Alright, once it's hot, I'm gonna put some cooking oil in. Let's flavor the oil with some spring onions. And once it starts bubbling like that, put in our meat. We're gonna stir it around until the Spam gets a nice crispy top on it. And now that the Spam and ham got a nice crispy end, we're gonna throw our onions in and the kimchi. Stir fry this around. And once the kimchi starts to wilt and some of them get a slightly crisp on the edges, we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1/2 tablespoon of gochugaru, Korean red chili pepper flakes. Give this a mix. Guys, and then a little bit of black pepper. I don't think we have an option. Good. And now we're gonna mix in our rice. All right, it should be dry by now. Oh gosh. And once it gets scrambled enough, we're gonna add in our seaweed crisp and finally 1 tablespoon of sesame oil to round it all out. All right, in. Mix this up. And guys, look at this kimchi fried rice. Amazing. And then try to find a noodle bowl that has a narrow bottom, right? fat base, narrow bottom. We're gonna start scooping these guys inside. Pack it in, all right? I'm gonna quickly wipe this out. We wanna put this on a low now, okay? Mount Hallasan, you gotta be careful here. So we're gonna put it here, right in the middle. And I might have exaggerated just a little bit. It's gonna be hard to see a natural explosion. So we're gonna have to create an artificial one here. Squeeze down on the top here. Oh, please don't break. Just take one bite. And then we're gonna make a little pathway. Maybe I need to take a second bite. Hallasan is awakening.
What's going on?
Hallasan is awakening,
Where's the
guys.
lava?
Hey, don't ruin the surprise. And now, oh my gosh.
What's going on?
It's
That's
coming
crazy.
down. Hallasan is erupting.
That's pretty crazy.
It's going, guys.
Wow, that's really cool.
And that is how Jeju was formed. Look at all the smoke, guys. It's coming alive. And now it's time to eat. We get a little bit of the egg on the bottom. Oh my goodness. A little bit of kimchi fried rice and some mozzarella on top.
Daniel, can I have the first bite?
No, no.
Please.
We're gonna drop it. How is it? Is it?
So interesting. It's good. I mean, I know how.
Bigfoot has arrived.
I know how kimchi
And,
fried rice tastes like, but
Guys,
this is so fun.
we're out of here. Peace.